In this video, we're going to talk about the different kinds of expiring funnels that you can create in the system, which would be our live and our evergreen funnels. So rather than giving you a big upfront and confusing explanation off the bat, let me just show you. So let's navigate over to our funnels by clicking on funnels over here on the left-hand side. And I'm just going to click into the funnel that we have been working on in the previous videos, my funnel. And this funnel has no expiry right now, and what I want to do is turn this into an expiring funnel. So to do that, I'm going to navigate over to Actions on the top right-hand side. Not Actions, I'm sorry, I want to navigate to Settings on the right-hand side, and then I'm going to come here to my expiry. So this is where I'm going to be able to change the expiry type for my funnel, currently set to none, but I can choose evergreen or live. So let's start with an evergreen funnel. You'll see that we have our expiry delay, and it's currently set to 1 hour. You can change this to be however many hours, minutes, seconds, days, weeks, however long you want your expiry to be. Because this is an evergreen funnel, I'm going to say that this is a quick action funnel. It's only going to be 1 hour. You only have 1 hour to claim the thing that I am offering. So I then have my expiry redirect, and this is where my users are going to be redirected to if they don't follow through on the funnel actions within the given time frame. So I'm going to go ahead and send them off to my homepage because they weren't able to claim my freebie in time, and I'm going to hit save. So now this is an evergreen expiring funnel. I want to go ahead and hide these stats quickly so I just have my pages. And we might not be able to see anything really going on here. So what I want to do is come to my opt-in page and add a timer, a countdown timer that's going to let my leads know, hey, you've only got an hour to claim this thing. So I'm going to edit this page. So I want to go ahead and add a timer, and I'm just going to add it here beneath my button. So I'm just going to right click, hit add, and I'm going to search for the timer module up here in the search bar, select the timer, and there we go. My timer has been added to this page. And the one thing that I want to make sure is that it is inheriting from my funnel. So if I come here to my settings, you'll see it's inheriting from the funnel. And I can change that so that this page is actually independent of the funnel. So I don't want to have an expiring funnel, but maybe I want to have a page in my funnel expire. I can then change the expiry type for that timer. So maybe I've got a little upsell and I'm like, hey, you've only got 5 minutes to claim this, then it's gone and we're taking you straight to the thank you page. So you can do that within your funnel. You don't need to have an expiring funnel entirely. You can have expiring pages. And so this is currently inheriting from my funnel, which is what I want. I want my entire funnel to expire. And because they are being redirected to the homepage, because it's inheriting from my funnel, that I don't have to worry about the redirect. If I decided to change this to a fixed time and date, then you'll see that I have some other options here. I have a redirect, and if I make it an evergreen, you'll see that I have to change that as well and change the redirect type. But we are keeping this as inheriting from the funnel. So that is how we can create an evergreen expiring funnel. When you view the live version of this page, this is going to count down from an hour. And if you refresh the page, it's going to continue to count down from an hour. It's going to give each individual user only 1 hour to take action on this page. However, if someone new comes to it, it's going to give them an hour. So it's not giving everyone 1 hour, it's giving them each an hour. I'm not sure if that makes any sense the way I described it. User A comes to your page, they've got the full hour. If they wait half an hour, they've only got half an hour left. User B comes to the page, they've got a whole hour. They don't have the half hour left that user A has. So that's, I suppose, a more simplified way of explaining an evergreen expiry. So the next expiry that we have, I do want to publish these changes though, so I'm going to quickly hit publish. And then I'm going to go back to my funnel and we're going to change this to a live expiry. And so a live expiry is going to have a set date and time on which this funnel is going to expire for everyone. So if I come here to my settings and I go to my expiry settings, I want to change it from evergreen to live. And now I'm going to choose my expiry date. And let's say that I want this to expire on the 31st of December at 7:25 a.m. And then going to choose my redirect type. I'm going to leave it to redirecting to the home page, and I'm going to hit save. You might have another landing page that you want to send them to that says, oh, sorry, this offer is no longer available, whatever it is that you want to do with your redirects there. And now we have a live expiring funnel. And if I click into this page, this is then going to change to the days, hours, minutes, and seconds until this funnel expires. And if user A comes today and they see that it's got however many days, hours, and minutes left, when user B comes tomorrow, it's going to be an entire day less than what user A initially had, because this funnel is expiring on a set date for everyone. It's not an evergreen funnel that expires at individual times for individual users. So those are the two different kinds of expiry that you can create within your funnel. So now that you know everything you need to know about expiring funnels, in the next video, I am going to show you how to share your funnel and ultimately drive traffic to your funnel, as well as show you how to use tracking links so that you can keep track of where that traffic is coming from when people go through your funnel. I'll see you there.